Hi everyone. What if I tell you that you can learn YouTube marketing from top instructors who have more than 700k subscribers in their YouTube channels and can learn about YouTube marketing completely for free and learn how can you grow your own YouTube channel. So you would probably say that's a great deal, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. I'm going to show to you a free resource, a course which is created by a very successful YouTuber called Nick Nimmin and some other people who have more than 450k subscribers, and these people are extremely experienced in their field, and you can learn about this course completely for free, no credit card required, nothing. You just need to sign up and make your account. So let's just jump right in. I am on a website called HubSpot Academy. So if you don't know what HubSpot Academy is, it's basically kind of like a course website where you can learn it's like several different skills, especially related to marketing, sales, and all these things. So you can learn these things from there. Most of the content here is free. So what you have to do is first have to go to HubSpot. HubSpot Academy, and then after you Google search it, you will be redirected to this page, academy.hubspot.com, and then you will have to sign up with your email and like make an account. So I'm gonna leave the link of this like course down below. It's a very good course. You can just sign up. It's a completely free course. So we are started this as you can see, there are several different sections here. So first section is about welcome to YouTube marketing course. So it's this course is of course about YouTube marketing. It talks about gives an introduction to the course, like what is YouTube marketing and all these things. Then there's also an optional video marketing study group which you can join here. Like for example, if I just click on next, it will redirect it to this page, join now. So yeah, you can just sign up there. People have study sessions, a lot of discussions over there, so you can just sign up for that. Next is about YouTube strategy. So this section basically talks about your content strategy towards YouTube and how can you understand the algorithm so you can provide the best content possible and get more people to click on it and to get more, a type of a content strategy basically. So and then at the end of the session there's also a quiz. So at the end of every session there's a quiz which you can take to get a reality check. So it's very good. There are, as you can see, you can just study these videos. You can make notes. You can you can just change the speed. At the end there's also a lesson overview, for example here you can just read that. So as you can see, and there are different resources, for example you can download the slides and all these things, and yeah, and there's the website of the examples which are given, for example. Next, it's about how to create an optimized YouTube channel. So this is basically, first section is about how to create a YouTube channel. That's pretty basic. If you're watching this video, I am sure you know that already by now. So next is about optimizing your channel for the best results. So this basically talks about how can you optimize your channel to make YouTube is the second largest search engine, right? So you have to optimize your channel so that it can help you in SEO and all these things. So yeah, it's about optimizing your channel for the best results. So you can just again see this lecture. There are again resources down below. For example, it talks about different how can you verify your YouTube channel and all these things. You can just see all these things and you can just take a look. Everything is explained in this course. Next is about YouTube and analytics. So YouTube analytics is very important since it tells you where are you lacking and where are you doing good, so you can perfect things where you are lacking at, so therefore you can improve more and more. So it talks about the importance of YouTube analytics and all these things. Next, it gives us a kind of like a workbook. So you can basically see this. This is a checklist of what you have to do. So first, like, you can see, you can just read this, like, create a channel, verify your channel, like all the different things, choose like a profile photo, channel art, all these things. Basically, like, as you continue doing this, you can just like check these things off, and then you can continue forward and doing the things like add a trailer, watermark, branding, like channel art, all these things. It's a checkbook which you can just like download on your computer, and then you can just keep checking. Like, for example, if I have thought about what like the target pinpoint or like my target audiences, like for example on my channel, like my channel's target audience is like regarding the tech community, like kind of people who are going into new fields like web development and all these things. So like you can just say, like for example, then I create my channel, so I can just tick this off. Like, you get the gist. Next is again a quiz which you can take, like why should you use a channel trailer and all these things. So it's just gonna question you about things here which have been taught earlier in the earlier lectures. Next is about creating high performing video content on YouTube. It talks about how should you structure your video. You should keep your intro crisp. You like the first 10 seconds of the video is the most important, and all these things. Like, it basically talks about how can you create good videos, like good structured videos which people would actually want to watch. Like, for example, like, it talks about several other things, like for example playlist. Why are playlists important? Like, it talks about different things like vlogging. Like, if you are not into like vlogging, if you do not want to make a vlogging channel, then you can just skip this, as well as live streaming. Then there's again a quiz which you can take. Consistency is important on YouTube. You should have, yeah, so like it's true, and you can just continue. Next is about SEO. So this is very important topic, especially if you are a beginner in YouTube. You should target search, because you won't be recommended in the algorithm, especially at the start. So you have to target search. So which is why it talks about how like research tools. Like, for example, I use like research tools, and like it gives us like some things, like some recommendations. How can you engage with your YouTube audience? Like, engagement is very important. So it talks about these things, and then how to get more subscribers, more views, and all these things. Like monetization, like AdSense. How can you like get the 1000 like subscribers and all these things, AdSense. And then that's about it for this course. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribe to the channel. I put a lot of effort into making these videos, and would like it would help me out a lot and motivate me to make more videos like this. If you just press this like button, I'm not even asking you to subscribe, just a like button would do a lot. So I hope you guys like the video, and that's it. Bye bye. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And so that's about it. Bye bye.